this is Jack with Vacation Ease. I am at El Dorado Casita. As you know, I've talked about it. You've probably just seen an interview with someone from the resort on a prior week or two ago. I just want to show you what one of the casitas looks like. Again, every casita on the inside is exactly the same, and they're all king beds. So you have to have king beds. They won't bring rollaways. But let's look at the casita. First thing I want to show you is there's plenty of storage in these casita. There's a safe. There are slippers. Every night they're going to put these slippers out when they're turned down. And then this is something everybody loves. Beautiful robes. So there's beautiful robes. Can't take them home, but you can use them while you're here. Now, king bedded room. Again, full-size king bed. As you look in the room, you have a nice TV. You have a mini bar. Let's look at the mini bar and see what they have. Ooh. So you have tea, coffee, and let's see what else. We've got beer, we've got water. Wow, there's a lot of different beers. You have Diet Coke, and just in case you haven't had chips for a while, you have some nice potato chips. So the mini bar is replenished every day. It's part of the all-inclusive. So if you want a cup of coffee, plus you have 24-hour room service in the room. So if you don't want something from the mini bar, but you want something else, feel free to just call. Now, over here, you have a nice hot tub. There's bubble bath there. So you feel free to just hop on in and relax. Desk, and when you check in, they'll have some alcohol. Looks like right now they have some local Mayan drink. In the past, they've had tequilas here. So you always have some drinks, but again, you're only a walk away from a bar, which we'll show you outside. Now, I think one of the coolest things about this room is the bathroom. So let's look at the bathroom. The bathroom has 2 sinks, a toilet room for privacy. Now, one of the things everybody's talked about with the casita is the showers of love. These are outdoor showers. So you can shut the door, open the door, and you can take a romantic shower outdoor. The sky is above you, depends upon where you are in the building. They are private, don't worry, people aren't looking down on you when you're in here. Now, after you're done with the outdoor shower, there's also an indoor shower, so don't get too worried. So, let's look at the indoor shower. As you can see, the indoor shower has a rain head, as well as a handheld, as well as a bench that if you want to sit down. So it's a fairly large shower. Now, as I said, all the rooms on the inside are the same. The main differences are outside of the rooms. This happens to be a swim-up casita. So as you can see, there's a table, there's some chairs, so if you want to sit and have breakfast out on your balcony, and then as you see, you're right in the water. So you can just sit right in the water on your lounges, and it's a lazy river. You can take the lazy river right around and go right to the swim-up pool bar. You can also just lay back here and relax on your bed at the casitas.